Can I use my IRA to invest in an investment property? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. In today's video, I'm going to explain the rules involved in using your IRA to make an investment in an investment property. And the rules are actually quite simple. They are. But here's kind of a backstory on this. When I started IRA Financial, before starting IRA Financial, I was a tax attorney in New York City, worked at some of the largest law firms, and I did really cool, sophisticated tax structuring, partnerships, corporate spin-offs, mergers. But I got really lucky. I had a client that wanted to use his IRA to make an investment in an alternative asset investment fund. It's like an eighth year tax associate, had a master's in tax law, done some cool stuff. I had no idea that I could use my IRA to do an investment in an alternative asset investment. In this case, the client wanted to invest in a hedge fund. Blew me away. And I thought to myself, hey, I'm a pretty smart guy. I went to school till I was like 25. I worked at some law firms, worked on like some of the billion-dollar unbelievable deals, and I had no idea that I could use my IRA to buy real estate or invest in an investment property. How on God's green earth are Americans going to know this, right? People are busy their daily life. Some people maybe are doctors or dentists or have an MBA or architects or engineers. They don't know this stuff, just like I don't know what they do. How are they going to know this stuff? So that gave me the inspiration to set up IRA Financial to help educate people on the amazing, amazing flexibility involved in using retirement funds to invest. And this video is basically that. Hey, there's only 3 things you can't do with an IRA. That's it. Yeah, just 3. 2 of them is obvious. Life insurance, who cares, right? Collectibles like art. Okay, it would be nice to buy a Picasso with my IRA or baseball cards. But whatever, I'll live with it. The third is the biggest category. It's found under Internal Revenue Code section 4975. It's actually pretty simple. The intent is obvious. You can't do anything with your IRA that doesn't exclusively benefit the IRA. In other words, you can't do anything with your IRA that indirectly or directly benefits you, the IRA owner, your lineal descendants, your parents, your children, your spouse, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, or any entities you control 50% or more. Makes sense, right? The IRS is saying, listen, if you want an IRA, use your IRA to buy yourself a car, go on vacation, buy yourself a new blazer, just pay tax. Take the distribution and use it. If they don't protect those distribution rules, then everyone's just going to use their IRA and never pay the government back. Remember, if you took a traditional IRA, they gave you a tax deduction for the contribution. So they need to protect those rules, or then everyone would just fleece their IRA and never pay tax, and the IRS would lose because they gave you a tax deduction and now you're never paying back the tax. So they have to protect those rules. So I get it, right? They're saying if you're going to give money to your kids, your spouse, your parents, it's like giving it to yourself. And we can't let you do that because you'll just literally liquidate your IRA and give it all to your kids, which is like benefiting you. And that doesn't really make any sense. No one will ever pay distribution tax. So those are the rules, but they're not complicated. You just got to kind of use common sense. Some of it's like a puzzle, but again, can't benefit you, a lineal descendant, or entities you control. Otherwise, you could do it. So whether it's an investment property into a business, real estate, gold, cryptos, credit funds, investment, hedge fund, private equity, venture capital, real estate, domestic, foreign, commercial, residential, it doesn't matter, right? As long as it doesn't violate those 3 things, you can do it. So yeah, you can use your IRA to invest in an investment property, real estate, commercial, residential, domestic, foreign, doesn't matter, right? Don't violate life insurance, collectibles, or 4975 involving a disqualified person. You can do it. So yeah, you can use your IRA to invest in investment property. And yeah, that blew me away back in 2008 when I first uncovered the IRA world, self-directed IRA world. You may be watching this and say, is this guy like legit? I'm like, yeah, I am. You can look me up. I'm a New York law license since 2001, a master's in tax law, and yeah, worked at some of the largest law firms in the world. And I've written 8 books on this stuff. So I know what I'm talking about. You can ask my wife. I barely can turn on an iPad. Or generally can't fix my Netflix account when it's not working, but I know this stuff really well. And there's so many cool things you can do in the self-directed IRA world. So that being said, check out all my other videos. If you are interested, if I have piqued your interest in self-directed IRA, there's 401ks. Such an unbelievable world where you can marry the concepts of investing in alternative assets with the power of deferral and compounded returns and getting tax-free returns. So excited, love it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's a lot more videos to come, so definitely subscribe to this channel. You'll get notified when I go live, and you could go live or when I drop videos. And I generally go live every week too, and different times. So subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the channel, but if you have comments, please leave comments, and I look forward to seeing everyone again on the next video. Take care.